How you doing? Jerry Regula, product engineer from McWane Ductile here, and you're watching The Ditch Doctor. So in this episode of The Ditch Doctor, we're talking about the differences between a chamfer and a beveled edge on a field cut piece of pipe. So we have this field cut piece of pipe, which often leaves a sharp edge on the end of the pipe. That's a safety hazard and something that needs to be removed. So first we're going to show you how to put a chamfer on the pipe and just remove that edge. So if we're going to make a connection like with an MJ valve or an MJ pipe, all we need to do is put a chamfer on the end. So we take our file and remove that rough edge. Now we have a smooth edge. We don't have to worry about getting cut. When they go to install this, we don't have to worry about cutting a gasket when we go to install the pipe. The next thing to do is if this pipe is going to go into a tight-on connection, you want to put a bevel on the pipe. So that's where we'd use a grinder, and of course we have to have our proper safety equipment. Put a bevel on the pipe. So now we have a proper bevel on a field cut piece of pipe. You can see here we have a nice rounded edge. We don't have to worry about tearing a gasket during installation. Thanks for watching The Ditch Doctor, and always keep in mind, work hard, work smart, and work safe.